What is energy demand, and why does it matter? People in government departments, in universities and in businesses are talking about energy demand and how to reduce it. This is because national and international policies require radical reductions in carbon emissions to limit future climate change. And at present, it's not clear how this can be achieved without a really significant reduction in the amount of energy that is used. But what is energy demand? There are different ways of answering this question. For many who think about these sorts of things, energy demand is simply the volume of energy supplied to consumers, homes and businesses. Understood like this, energy demand can be reduced by improving the energy efficiency of appliances and vehicles. Others think about energy as a kind of commodity, as something that is bought and sold, and that can be saved or wasted. In this case, the demand for energy is seen to depend on how much it costs, meaning that demand can be turned up or down via economic incentives and penalties. These standard interpretations of energy demand are only part of the story. They miss out on what energy is actually for. This is because energy is used to provide services. Heating provides comfort during the winter, mobility by car, bus or train enables people to get to work, and lighting makes it possible to read, work or move about at night. In other words, it is not energy that matters. What really matters are the services that energy makes possible. As physicists say, energy is the means to do useful work. The meaning of useful work depends on what people normally do, and so it changes over time and varies from culture to culture. Entirely new uses of energy, such as wireless internet access, emerge as practices change. Others decline, such as daily or weekly doorstep deliveries of milk or coal. Since the meanings of useful work change, energy demand isn't fixed or universal. It depends on the services and practices that exist in society at any point in time. If we take this view of energy demand, radical reductions in demand depend on how energy-intensive practices change and how they might be steered and shaped. Current policies and strategies usually take the practices on which energy and travel demand depends for granted. In taking this approach, they run the risk of encouraging and even locking in levels of energy consumption that are simply unsustainable.